Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your English teacher and today it is our lecture number 8. Our lecture number 8 is stanza comprehension. But before starting the stanza comprehension, I would like to read the poem for you. Our poem is Friends. The title of the poem is Friends. How good to lie a little while and look up through the tree. The sky is like a kind big smile bent sweetly over me. The sunshine flickers through the lace of leaves above my head and kisses me upon the face, like mother before bed. The wind comes stealing o'er the grass to whisper pretty things, and though I cannot see him pass, I feel his careful wings. So many gentle friends are near whom one can scarcely see. A child should never feel a fear wherever he may be. So it was our poem, that is Friends. Now I am coming to my lecture, which is the stanza comprehension, and I have taken the first stanza for you for comprehension. And our first stanza is this. How good to lie a little while and look up through the tree. The sky is like a kind big smile bent sweetly over me. It is our first stanza of the poem, and I have picked this first stanza for you for comprehension. I have made the 4 questions for you to answer. Our first question is, write the opposite of little. Write the opposite of little. It is very easy question and you can write the answer very easily because all of you know very well the opposite of little. So write the proper answer and complete answer that the opposite of little is dash. Our next question is, what is the meaning of kind? You can use your dictionary to find out the meaning of kind, and you have to write the complete answer that the meaning of kind is dash. The third question is, pick up an adverb from the stanza. So what is an adverb? Adverb is a word which defines a verb, or adverb is a word which tells us more about the verb. So you have to find out an adverb from the stanza and write it in your question number C, that dash is an adverb in our stanza. Then our question number D, that is find out an infinitive from the stanza. So what is the infinitive? What is the infinitive? Infinitives are those words which are the first form of verbs with the preposition to. The first form of verb with preposition to are called the infinitives. For example, to come, to go, to eat, to drink, to fly, to the first form of verbs with the preposition to are called the infinitives. So you have to find out an infinitive from your stanza and write your answer that dash is an infinitive in our stanza. So these, I have only written the questions for you. You have to find out the answers by yourself, and you will do these answers in your neat copies. You have to prepare your pages very properly, give the heading for poem, then stanza comprehension, then stanza number 1. Write down the stanza. You can write as it is, or you can write in the dotted form. Okay, you can write your stanza as it is, or you can write the stanza in the dotted form. Then give the heading, answer these questions, write down your questions and give the answers for your questions very neatly. So remember that you have to do all the work in your neat copies in very neat and tidy handwriting. You have to use your markers for headings and your pens for your written work. So it was our lecture number 8 about the stanza comprehension, and the questions are very easy. You can find out the answers very easily and then do the answers by yourselves in your neat copies. So thank you so much class. Allah Hafiz.